Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to be making some Jamaican style pumpkin dumplings. I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Also guys, when you hit that subscribe button, turn on all notifications so you not miss any of my upcoming videos because I'm always good. So let's get cooking. So here I have a pound of pumpkin. So this size is too big for me to peel, so I'm going to cut it in two halves. Afterwards I am going to start peeling it. I am finished peeling the pumpkin, so here I'm going to be using a bowl. Also I'm going to be using a grater. So I am going to be using the smallest part of the grater to grate the pumpkin. Ensure that you remove all the skin from the pumpkin. Here I am finished grating the pumpkin. So this is how it looks after I'm finished. So for this recipe guys, you're not going to be using any water. So because the pumpkin is so moist, I'm just going to be using it to combine with the flour to make the dough. So here I am using a little over a pound, maybe about a pound and a quarter of white flour. You can use a flour of your choice, but for this recipe guys, you don't need any cornmeal. So I am going to transfer the flour into the pumpkin, I should say. Afterwards I'm going to add a little salt. So add the salt to your taste. So with clean hands you're going to form the dough. So I'm just going to mix it gently to make the dough. So we're going to form a firm dough. So if when you're kneading and it's a bit soft, then you can always add some more flour, because remember we're going to boil it guys, so we need it to be tight and firm, not to be soft. Remember it is pumpkin dumplings, so since I'm using a little over a pound of flour, I use a pound of pumpkin. So you know, you would use your judgment to make this recipe. So if you're going to use like 2 pounds of flour, you know you're going to use like a pound and a half, or say 2 pounds of pumpkin, because you know you want to have that pumpkin taste in it. And also you know you use a pumpkin to form the dough, so you know you have to use enough pumpkin. I am finished making the dough, so I am going to move on to the next step. So in my pot, guys, I have some boiling water. So I also added a little salt. So you know you're going to add the salt to your taste at this point as well. So here I am adding my dumplings into the pot. You know, Jamaicans, they love cook a lot of food like banana dumpling, yam, chocho, whatever. But guys, I'm just going to prepare my pumpkin dumplings. If you like, you can add other foods into the pot, alright? I just feel for the pumpkin dumplings. After I'm finished adding the dumplings, I'm going to use a spoon to stir it very well. Afterwards, I'm going to cover the pot halfway because I don't want it to boil over on the stove. Then I'm going to let it cook for about 10 to 12 minutes. So my pumpkin dumplings are all done. So I am going to share some and then I present to you. So there you have it, guys. My delicious pumpkin dumpling is all done. I serve it up with some tin mackerel. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Please remember to like this video as it helps with the YouTube algorithm.